microwave eggs. Get one of these. It's got a 5 at the bottom, which means it can handle a microwave. And I've used this one probably like 100 times, not gonna lie. Put an egg, crack some eggs open, put 2 of them in it. Probably gonna add a little bit of salt and pepper. Alright, now with the yolk still intact, you can zap them for just 30 seconds. If you go over 30 seconds, the yolks are likely to explode, but I like to cook them it's like if you cook them with the yolks intact, it creates like you'll have like whites and yellows in your eggs instead of them being all the exact same. It kind of adds different texture to it. So now pop the yolks and stir it up. And then put it back in the microwave for another 30 seconds. It's kind of annoying to have to keep cooking it in several intervals, but you want to do it that way because it's really, really easy to overcook eggs and completely ruin them. So it's like 30 seconds, stir, 30 seconds, stir, and eventually you'll get what you want. It's currently just still too soupy. There is like some hardened parts in there, but, or shall I say, congealed parts. I just keep stirring it, zapping it, stirring it, zapping it. Let's see, this has been about 90 seconds so far. And it's like, you know, it's still cooking. When you take it out of the microwave, it's still cooking. We have some solids in there. Needs to go a little bit more. Probably another 30 seconds. And if you feel like it's, you know, getting real close to being done, you can stop it at any time. You don't have to be the complete 30 seconds. Mayo seems weird, but it's basically eggs. Come out of the refrigerator so it's cold. A soybean oil, that's good to, the eggs get very dry. It needs lubrication. Soybean oil, water, eggs, vinegar, egg yolks, salt, sugar, lemon juice. Yeah, that sounds good. But really I use the mayonnaise because it's cold, and when you get the eggs, they're just constantly cooking, even out of the microwave. See there. Let me stir this up a little bit better. Alright, stirred it up better. I'm just gonna hit it with a dash of mayo, because like they're real hot and they're still cooking. Really not that much. Stir them up. And there we go. They're, yeah, kind of creamy. Oh. Ooh, hot. They're pretty good. Pretty good. This little kit you can buy from Walmart, it actually has like cheese, bacon, and pork. And normally I'd have like bacon bits I'd throw in there, and sometimes I'd chop up some ham or whatever, some cheese, and add to it, but I was just doing this for demonstration. Yeah, those are actually so good, I think I'm gonna make some more. Maybe this time use 3 eggs instead too. This time though, I'm gonna go whole hog and use some bits of ham, mozzarella cheese, American cheese, of course salt and pepper, and the mayo. I don't know what it is, but like keeping the yolks intact for the first 30 seconds It's like you have more whites and more yellows mixed together, whereas if you stir them early, it's just going to be all the exact same and kind of boring. But it's really tricky because these yolks will explode unexpectedly in your microwave, and they'll like flip the whole thing upside down and completely splatter. Yeah, I probably wouldn't recommend it on the first try. It's sort of like something you do once you really got stuff figured out. But now that there's some white there, I could go ahead and pop the yolks before zapping it anymore, because they will explode. They're really close to it. Like this here, this is what I like different colors of the egg, the whites and the yellow. And like look at this big chunk. Kind of hard to see it now, but look at that big chunk of egg white. I love stuff like that in the eggs. I went ahead and added all my flavor stuff to it while it's still relatively liquid form. One ingredient I wish I had was actual butter, but I was too poor to afford butter at the time. But butter, butter makes a huge difference in these eggs, especially the high-end Irish butter. I forget what you call it, like Kerry Farm or something. It does take a longer time to cook once you add all the stuff to it. But we just keep stirring it and zapping it and stirring. It's kind of got like a cupcake shape going on right now. But this is getting to where it needs to be. Just stir this whole thing up. It is strange the way it looked just a little while ago, but that's exactly what you want it to look like, because once you stir it up, then it really becomes, like real scrambled eggs. And you stir it some more, but then you got to hit it with a mayo to stop it from cooking, because it's literally still cooking right now because the temperature's hot. So the cold mayonnaise will like pause it to where you have perfect scrambled eggs. But I mean, if you don't like mayo, you could probably drop an ice cube in it. I know that sounds weird, but you want to stop it from overcooking itself, otherwise they become rubbery. Scrambled eggs. See how they taste. That ham, oh man, that ham adds so much flavor to it. It tastes so good. And that's that. Just easy eggs, microwave, and that's all you need.